Hey everyone, Verizon Fios Wi-Fi connected but no internet. Let's fix that fast. This video covers quick, easy solutions to get you back online in no time. Stay tuned. Your internet is about to make a comeback. To fix Verizon internet not working on iPhone, first restart your iPhone and ensure cellular data is turned on and airplane mode is off. If the issue persists, forget the Verizon network and Wi-Fi settings and reconnect it by entering the password again. You can also reset network settings in settings, then go to general to clear any connection error and restore proper network access and try disabling IPv6 feature. Why Verizon Fios Wi-Fi connected but no internet? A malfunctioning router or ONT can disrupt the internet signal even if Wi-Fi is connected. Device-specific issues or incorrect network settings may prevent internet access despite a Wi-Fi connection. ISP outages, account problems, or signal interference can also cause loss of internet while still showing Wi-Fi connectivity. Fix one, check for Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi will connect to devices without issues, but internet will work only if it Ethernet cable connected properly. Connect a computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If the wired connection works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue is with your router's wireless settings. If the wired connection also fails, the problem is likely with your FIOS service or ONT. Fix to check router and ONT lights. Make sure all the status lights on your router and ONT are solid green or as indicated in your device manual. If you see red or blinking light, this can indicate a problem with the fiber connections or hardware. If so, unplug the ONT cable and try replugging it and see the issue resolved. If not, you are having issue with receiving signal from the main hub and you have contact service person to fix the issue. Fix the power cycle your equipment. Power cycling your device and router clears temporary glitches and refreshes network connections. This can resolve issues where your device is connected to Wi-Fi but not receiving internet due to a stale connection or miscommunication between the device and router. Power off your device, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This often resolves temporary glitches. Unplug your router and modem if separate for at least 60 seconds, then plug them back and wait for all lights to stabilize before reconnecting. Fix 4, check device network settings. Deleting the Wi-Fi profile and reconnecting forces your device to request a fresh IP address and new network settings from the router on your device. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect by entering the password again. Restart your device to clear any network glitches. Windows, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to Wi-Fi, manage known networks. Select your network, click forget, then reconnect by choosing the network and entering the password. On iOS, open settings, then go to Wi-Fi, tap the I next to your network, tap forget this network, then reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. On Android, open settings, then go to Wi-Fi, tap and hold your network. Select forget network, then reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. On Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon, then go to network preferences, then advanced. Select your network, click the minus button to remove, then reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. Fix 5, addressing device specific issues. If only one device is affected, the problem is likely with the device's network settings or compatibility. Disabling features like IPv6 can resolve such conflict. Log into your Fios router, go to Advanced, then go to Network Settings and disable IPv6 configuration controls. On Windows, open Control Panel, then go to Network and Internet from search bar ncpa.cpl. Right-click your Wi-Fi, select Properties and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP or IPv6. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Network, and select your active network, click Details, then go to TCP or IP and set Configure IPv6 to link local only. Fix 6, reset network settings. Reset network settings on your device, reinstall network adapter and clear old network configurations, which can fix problems caused by corrupted settings or driver issues. To reset network settings, on iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode to confirm. On Android, open Settings System or General Management on some devices, then go to Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings, select the same if prompted and confirm the reset. Fix 7. Factory reset the router if needed. A factory reset returns the router to its default state, clearing any misconfiguration that could block internet access for connecting devices. If none of the above works, perform a factory reset by pressing and holding the reset button on the back of your router for 10 to 15 seconds. Here is the note: this will erase custom settings like Wi-Fi name and password. Fix 8. Contact Verizon support. If you still have no internet, contact Verizon Fios customer support. Let them know you have already tried power cycling and basic troubleshootings. They can check your line remotely or send a technician if needed. If you have active warranty, you can also request for replacement. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.